Welcome to TechMinds. Today, we're delving into the world of cutting-edge specialized transportation machines. Let's explore the future of logistics and heavy industry together. Number 1. The ETFD for Quarry Dump Truck is a heavy-duty hauling machine designed specifically for quarry environments, featuring a robust chassis and powerful engine. It excels in transporting large volumes of materials over rough terrain. Its high payload capacity and advanced suspension system ensure stability and durability, even in challenging conditions. Equipped with state-of-the-art safety features and ergonomic design, it prioritizes operator comfort and productivity, versatile and reliable. It serves as an essential asset in mining and quarrying operations worldwide. Number 2. The covered car carrier is a specialized transportation machine tailored for the automotive industry. Its primary function is to transport vehicles while providing protection from external elements. Featuring a secure enclosure, it shields vehicles from weather conditions, dust, and debris during transit. Equipped with advanced loading and unloading mechanisms, it ensures efficient handling while minimizing the risk of damage. Designed with aerodynamics for fuel efficiency and safety features for vehicle protection, it offers a secure and reliable solution for automotive logistics needs. Number 3. The TechMinds e-drive mining machine represents the forefront of technology in the mining industry. Utilizing electric drive systems, it offers superior performance, efficiency, and environmental sustainability compared to traditional diesel-powered machines. Its robust construction and innovative design enable it to navigate rugged terrain and operate in harsh mining conditions with ease. Equipped with advanced automation and control systems, it enhances safety and productivity while reducing operating costs and carbon footprint. The TechMinds e-drive sets new standards for mining equipment, revolutionizing the industry towards a greener and more sustainable future. Number 4. The RMW 1500 high-performance railway ballast cleaning machine is a specialized equipment designed for maintaining railway tracks by efficiently cleaning and restoring ballast. With its powerful suction and screening system, it removes contaminants and debris from the ballast bed, ensuring proper drainage and stability. Equipped with advanced sensors and control systems, it optimizes the cleaning process while minimizing downtime. Its high-performance capabilities and reliability make it an indispensable tool for railway maintenance operations, ensuring safe and efficient rail transportation. Number 5. The Alma Transporter is a versatile machine used for transporting goods and materials across various terrains. With its robust design and powerful engine, it can handle heavy loads with ease. Equipped with advanced suspension and braking systems, it ensures stability and safety during transport. Its modular construction allows for customization according to specific transportation needs, making it suitable for a wide range of applications in industries such as construction, mining, and agriculture. The Alma Transporter's reliability and versatility make it an essential asset for businesses requiring efficient and dependable transportation solutions. Number 6. The TV2 SOS Trailer Semi-Trailer is a specialized transportation unit designed for hauling heavy loads over long distances. Featuring a sturdy frame and advanced suspension system, it can withstand the rigors of long-haul transportation while ensuring stability and safety. Equipped with state-of-the-art braking and safety features, it provides reliable performance even in challenging road conditions. Its spacious cargo area and customizable configurations make it suitable for transporting a wide range of goods and materials, whether for industrial equipment, machinery, or oversized cargo. The TV2 SOS Trailer Semi-Trailer offers a dependable solution for long-distance transportation needs. Number 7. The Goldhofer Multi-Wheel Trailer is a heavy-duty transport vehicle designed for hauling oversized and heavy loads. With its modular design and adjustable axle configuration, it can adapt to various load sizes and weights. Equipped with hydraulic steering and suspension systems, it offers excellent maneuverability and stability during transport. Its robust construction and Advanced safety features ensure safe and efficient transportation of large and bulky cargo, whether for transporting construction equipment, industrial machinery, or wind turbine components. The Goldhofer multi-wheel trailer provides a reliable solution for heavy haulage requirements. Number 8. The London Double-Stack Container Superb Double-Scale Trailer is a specialized transportation unit designed for hauling shipping containers, featuring a unique double-stack configuration. It maximizes cargo capacity while adhering to road transport regulations, equipped with advanced securing mechanisms and stability control systems. It ensures safe and efficient transport of containers over long distances. Its robust construction and durable components make it suitable for handling heavy loads in demanding logistics operations, whether for intermodal transportation or containerized cargo. The London Double-Stack Container Superb Double-Scale Trailer offers a cost-effective solution for container haulage needs. Number 9. Pollock's latest 12-line ESS modular platform is a versatile transportation system designed for hauling oversized and heavy loads, featuring a modular design and expandable configuration. It can adapt to various load sizes and weights. Equipped with advanced hydraulic and pneumatic systems, it offers precise control and stability during transport. Its innovative design and customizable features make it suitable for a wide range of transportation applications, including heavy machinery, construction equipment, and industrial components, whether for on-road or off-road transport. Pollock's latest 12-line ESS modular platform provides a reliable and efficient solution for oversized cargo transportation needs. Number 10. TIISHL's Blade Transport System is a specialized transportation solution designed for hauling wind turbine blades, featuring a robust frame and hydraulic lifting mechanism. It can securely transport blades of various sizes and weights, equipped with advanced suspension and braking systems. It ensures stability and safety during transport. Its adjustable configurations and customizable features make it suitable for transporting wind turbine components over long distances. The TSHL's Blade Transport System offers a reliable and efficient solution for the transportation of wind energy components, facilitating the growth of renewable energy infrastructure. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMinds for more exciting content like this. Remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new videos. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. See you in the next video.